Yeah, dude, it's sick how shit's like lit up, bro. Like, what? Tight.
Each house?
Yeah. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude. They just hit me with a jump scare.
What?
Oh my god.
No, I didn't.
My ears are bleeding.
Where?
Hey yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Halloween in Warzone, the haunting of Verdansk. They added a brand new zombie mode and a brand new night mode, as well as a bunch of kick-ass skins. I'm rocking the new Saw skin, as well as the new AMAX Blueprint variant. Man, this pack is sick as fuck. This game was so much fun. I'm loving this new update. If you like the video, please like the video, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you never miss a video. Also, follow me on Twitch and come say what's up. Enjoy.
Oh yeah.
How we doing, boys?
What's up?
What's up, young blood?
I literally just tried to find that dude.
Camping, dog.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
He's a goat!
Oh, I hit him with my stunning. Stunning, my bunny. Got one down up top. Dead. He goes, no, you said they were terrible. I got two. Bro, that guy goes, when I killed him, he goes,
Yeah.
bro, you said that team is terrible.
No way.
Yeah. So that guy, obviously, he must have been talking about green. No offense. Got one down.
Got one down. Hanger.
My guy's still alive.
Bye-bye.
What's up, dog?
Yo, in the hangar.
Oh fuck, let me heal. Out front. Woo! I love being me. Where's green? Bro, alright, this is fucking retarded. We're just 2v3ing. Eh, not a big deal, dude. Fucking five, dude. Coming back to my ship. No, come to us, big dog. What are you doing?
Over here.
Good job, you fucking idiot. Coming up.
Down. In the box on the left right here.
They're on the move. Enemy UAV overhead. I have a kill. Frag out.
Right here, dog.
What? Yeah.
I've been fighting him for 10 minutes.
I'm gonna get out of the open until you do you. There you go.
I'm bugging, bro. Jesus.
Dude, he literally was.
The fastest kid alive.
Yeah, I was like, dude. It was the one I fucking smacked in the fucking on the crate too, and he called me what's his name? He was just mad at me. Something. I don't know. But
He's the fastest kid alive.
He calls me idiot.
I'm moving.
Wait for me, whippy boy.
He down. He did.
Have a kill.
Thermal, so useful right there. We just zip
They're
up.
wanna
Basically
send it?
duo squad, pretty much.
Cancel that.
He was in the window, that's why I got out. Coming. He's ghosted. I'm throwing a Sem upstairs. 2 of them out. Full crack. Should be down. Jumped out. Oh, there's another one. There's another one up there. This guy's leaving himself in front of me. Directly in front of me. Got him.
Easy,
He didn't
easy.
know I was- Bro, he didn't know I was selfing, bro.
Go, baby.
Let's go.
That's how we do it.
Thought I heard football beat, you know? The thing where people used to walk with.
He's in the window.
One dead.
Yeah.
They're on the move.
He's outside now. Why can't I hit him? He's rezzing? How can he hit me, but I can't hit him? What? Let's not focus too hard on these guys. There's so many ways people can get in here. I don't have...
I have 0 plates.
Yeah, here. Can't keep shitting on plates here.
On the left side.
My last 2 plates right there.
Nice job.
I'm moving.
Friendly fire.
Armor's on them. They gotta rotate to us. We can hold them here.
Down. On the wall.
Can't. Yep.
I need cover.
I just have no more armor, bro. This is gonna hurt us.
Marking new safe zone.
Right below.
Hold on. Yep.
That's one dead.
Behind me, behind me, behind me, behind me, right here. I'm still alive. He ain't kill me yet. Let's go, big dog!
Let's go.
2v1. Or something like that. Yo, I'm fucking shielding up, boy. Let's stay together.
So dark. We gotta go that way, dog.
All right, now we don't. I mean, yeah, we do. But
The safe zone is over. Andiamo.
fire.
See ya.
My boy, baby, Warzone victory.
Let's go, baby!
Let's go.
Easy!
Flex in the chat, baby.
Hey, hey, hey,
Hey.
hey!
You know what today is?
What up?
High tech slave fest.
High tech slave fest, baby. Let's go.
Man, you dropped 26.
Bro, this mode is nuts.
Woo!
Let's go.
Damn. Oh, yeah. It feels good to carry kids, you know, just get a little, help someone get a win.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good shit.
Guys, so this is the class I was using. I had that new AMAX blueprint with the mono suppressor, Zodiac barrel, Corp, hollow sight, commando foregrip, and the 45 round mags. This thing is so much fun to use. I was running the MP5 with in cold blooded because a lot of people are using thermals, Semtex, and heartbeat sensor. And here's a look at the new Saw skin. Dude, this thing is nuts. It's my favorite skin in the game right now. Make sure you check it out and pick up this pack. Peace.